Alright, well, we made a run. We were in the lead for a little bit, and then the last few games were...
I need to buy one.
Alright, we're back with an actual camera. No more poor quality iPhone vlog for now. Well, at least for the regionals that I can drive to. I'll bring this camera. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I was watching the vlogs back and I'm like, quality's not great. But anyways, we're here in Kingman, Arizona at Surbat Lanes. This is a member, non-member event. It is a regional. It is worth a regional title for the member, not the non-member. But a win's a win. So this is gonna be our second regional of the year. Finished 5th in Dublin, that was our first one. And let's see if we can improve our finish here. Like I said, I drove. Kingman, Arizona is only about an hour and a half, maybe a little more than that from where I live in Vegas. I brought 14 bowling balls because I could. There they are. I requested A squad. There's 2 squads. A squad starts at 7 a.m. Did not know that. There is golf available, so we'll be golfing after A squad. And hopefully not going home after golf. So yeah. My partner's not here yet, but we'll introduce you to him. I don't think he's ever been on the channel, so yeah. Also, I'm very jet lagged. This is the 3rd day I'm home from Korea. Day 1 I was good, stayed up all day, I survived, slept through the night. Day 2, survived again throughout the day. Did not sleep in a minute last night, so I'm running on fumes. So we'll see how this week goes. It's my partner.
Yeah, I know.
What's up?
Okay, real talk. This isn't your dad's old school wallet. This is the Wallet Pro, and it's basically the Iron Man suit of wallets. Made from premium Italian vachetta leather and fully recycled aluminum, no plastic, just pure durability. And this little guy holds up to 14 cards and cash and slips in your pocket like a dream. Check this out. Boom, one press. All your cards slide out, ready to go. It's fast, it's slick, and yeah, it's kind of fun. This is what sold me, the Finder card. You ever get paranoid about losing your wallet? Well, with the Finder card, you're gonna be able to press a button and no more panicking about feeling like you left your wallet somewhere. As we all know, Father's Day is coming up. Want to score major points with all the dads out there? This is the gift. Right now, you can get up to 40% off up until June 26th. Use my code Darren at checkout and you'll unlock an extra 10% off. It's basically a steal. 4 classy colors, plus 2 exclusives like this cobalt blue. This thing's built to last a lifetime, and honestly, it's built smarter. Wallet Pro's the future, and your pocket's about to level up. Links below. You're welcome.
I just finished practice. Actually, I just participated in the non-member / new members meeting, and I gave my 2 cents on lane courtesy, which is very important, and it's very, very good in Korea, not so good in the United States, because a lot of players just don't bowl when it's their turn sometimes, and some guys take a little bit longer than necessary for things to run smoothly. But in Korea, everyone goes as soon as it's their turn, as soon as it's, you know, in their cycle, their time to go. But anyways, back to the bowling. They hook a ton. Urethane might have a pop for a game. If they were anything like practice session, it probably won't come out at all. The cleaner balls were good, Typhoon at the end. I have a DNA coil, look pretty good. I'll probably throw that in the middle, a Marble Pearl. I do have an Alpha Crux, and I think the play is going to be, I feel like the fresh is going to be a little tricky. And then once they open up, there's unlimited hole. We're bowling on Scorpion, 44 feet. So they opened up pretty nice towards the end, but I think I'm going to use a little bit of surface to make sure it doesn't get past the spot that I want it to get to. So as long as it slows down in the right spot, we should be all right. Hit the pocket 10 times and we'll go from there. But yeah, I'm probably just going to hook it off the rip, but we'll see. And bowling with Tim Smith. He's my practice buddy. We practice 3 or 4 times a week together. So hopefully we can build some team chemistry because we're also bowling the Open Championships together. We're going to go find something to eat. We bowl at 7 in the morning tomorrow. We'll be all right. Good morning. I've been awake for a long time now. Jet lag is still winning. I got 4 hours of sleep, but that's better than none. The day before was none. So today will be better. Practice didn't feel very good. I think I was just kind of checked out and tired. My body was not letting me do the things I wanted to do. So hopefully today that changes. Anyways, gonna get some breakfast, head over to the ball, get ready, and yeah, let's start the day. Update after 2, we're what, 50 over? We're about 50 over. Not too bad. I don't really know what scores are looking like, but they don't look super high. Killing our pairs 500 after 2, so they're bowling pretty well. I gotta learn how to throw it way harder. Wide. Focus. Focus. Hello? Focus. Yeah. Focus. Yeah, very interesting because they have some new panels, some are old. Unfortunately, this pair we're about to hit's got a new panel on the left lane that's apparently slicker than the right lane's panel on the approach, among all things. You know what? Yeah, my ball reaction's not very good. Grinded for 2-0-2-0. My partner bowled a big game first game and then bowled a really good 190. So we're in okay position. But I gotta pick up the pace a little bit. All good. Back in the room, and we got to 141 over, and we were in second with 1 to go, and we shot 390, and we dropped to 6th. And our last pair wasn't great. Hooked really early. Our right lane was super flat, so I had a hard time. I was throwing fairly strong. I was throwing a Marvel Pearl. It was hooking at my toes, and it never wanted to get to the right on the right lane. So I either needed to get slower and steeper or throw it a little harder, but instead I went to the Typhoon, and I got tricked. It light swishered, so I didn't move, and I just tried to catch it more, and then it just didn't hook, so I'm assuming it just burned up and went straight. Then I shot 190, Tim shot 2-0, but we had a really good game 6. We shot 490. Now we backed into 490. Like we had 570 working with a couple frames to go, and then hit a couple of bumps. And currently in 6th place. B squad is way stronger than our squad, so I'm anticipating we're not gonna have enough. So I'm kind of hoping we just hang on for a check. I didn't bowl particularly too well, and then Tim had a 130 in there. There were a lot of holes that could have been filled, but most important part is if we don't make it, we learn from it, we go home, it motivates us to get better, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. Hopefully we do make it. That would be cool, you know, qualify 12th and then run the round robin and hopefully take home a dub. But I think best case, we get a check. Yeah, we just go home and get better, and we got to do that because we're bowling nationals in how many days, Tim?
2 weeks, 14 days.
Actually, yeah, 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, we were bowling the Open Championships from the day of this recording. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. Again, go follow me on Instagram because I want to do this 100K. Okay, for selfish reasons, I want to get to 100,000 because that's just like a milestone number to get to on social media. But I want to start giving away bowling balls. I've been giving away balls for a long time on Twitch, on Discord. Join the Discord. The link finally works. That is where you're going to get all the announcements for literally everything. Ball giveaways, new YouTube videos if you want to be one of the first. Also hit that notification bell. Do all the things, you know, why not? It's free for you. It just takes a little bit of effort and helps us out on the channel a ton. If you already subscribed, I appreciate you. And I hope some of you win some bowling balls, but I will tell you the best. best way to win. Discord and Twitch. Hopefully we make the cut. Well, somehow, some way, we're in there. We qualified 11th, the cut was plus 129, we were plus 141, and I guess the strength of the second squad, and it must have played a little harder, honestly. Yeah, we have a chance, we're still alive. Lucky we do, because there wasn't a lot of content to be had yesterday. It's been tough with the tripod that I have and this camera to get the best angles for your viewing pleasure. But I got a full night's rest. I actually slept through the night. I have no excuses today. made a run. We were in the lead for a little bit, and then the last few games were not so good. But congrats to Chase and George. They looked really good the last couple games to kind of pull away and get it done. So yeah, third place. Consider we started in 11th. Pretty good week. So yeah, thanks for watching. You should follow on Instagram. Let's start these giveaways.